So ayan, share ko lang, meron tayong sinusundang asset, no? So ito, it dates back few months or maybe a year na sinusundan natin, and talagang ginagawa natin siyang alternative, no, sa trading natin. And talagang very promising and malaking potential itong asset to. So ito, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung tinutukoy ko. Okay, so yan, no, kitang-kita naman sa galawan, and ito nga yung silver. So, aside from gold, we are also trading this. And yan, na sundan natin siya all the way back from it was 20s, pero hindi talaga natin siya napuruhan. Ayan, so, gold talaga tayo pumuro. Pero kung tutuusin, kung titingnan natin yung growth ng magkapareho, no, silver versus gold, mas mataas talaga yung inilaki nitong silver. So, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung reason why this is going up. Pero yan, mga ganyang pataas na ganyan, no? So, alam na natin yan, malakas din ang bagsak niyan. So, kung mapansin nyo, meron ditong mga pumunta na yan ng 40 and then bumalik ng 27. Tapos binalikan niya lang rin siya pataas. So yung drop na yon, no, mukha siyang maliit if you are on a spot. Pero if you are trading leverage, medyo malaki siya. So ayan, pero if you were able to ride ito from 27 all the way up to 90, no? Kung talagang magaling ka mag trail stop, talagang okay na okay ka na for the whole year. Pero yun nga, since we are scalper, we are a day trader, we were not able to ride this long. So maybe a few days or even a week pwede natin siyang sakyan, pero more than months na ito yun eh. So ayan, so nasa 90 na siya, and it's going up. Napakalaki, no? In a day, pwede siyang tumalon or tumaas ng 7% or 9%. So, that's how big it is. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung fundamentals why it is going up. And so, share natin yung balita. Silver climbed above 89 per ounce on Wednesday, hitting fresh record highs as investors sought safe haven exposure and geopolitical tensions, rising fiscal debt, and concerns over the independence of the US Federal Reserve. So, sumasabay din siya sa taas ng gold. So, basically, no, so this is a safe haven. Pero, mas safe haven talaga si gold. So, ito, nakikisabay lang talaga tong silver. Pero, meron pa siyang ibang gamit, no? So, bakit mas mataas siya? Bakit mas malaki yung itinaas niya or yung potential niya in the coming months or years as compared to gold? So, I'm not saying that gold will be stagnant or will be going down, but itong silver will also go up, no? So, robust investment flows and strong industrial demand driven by the global transition to clean energy, yan, and technologies and artificial intelligence. So, further supported the bullish outlook. So, yan, aside from the safe haven demand, geopolitical tensions, this one, kasi silver is one of the materials na ginagamit for the hardwares ng paggawa nitong mga computers for the artificial intelligence, and they are looking at the industrial level. So, consumer side, maliit lang yan. So, kapag sinabing industrial level, yan yung mga talagang governments and countries na yung gumagamit. So, that's, and big corporations, not us as retail. So, they're the big players. So, syempre, sila yung uunahin, and they have the control over that. And, ayun, so, expect nyo rin, no, na malaki pa yung itataas nito kasi it's looking at the future. So, clean energy technologies and artificial intelligence. So, mukhang walang sense yung ano, no? Pero itong silver kasi, ulitin ko lang, ginagamit siya for the hardware, for making the technology, no? For making the hardware for these technologies, yung clean energy and artificial intelligence. So, nandun yung demand. And alam naman natin, AI, kakasimula lang and it's going to boom ng malaking malaki pa. No? So malaki pa talaga yung potential niya. And along with that will be silver. So that's my conclusion, and that's going to be my outlook for this silver. So it may have a pullback, it may go down before it continues to go up kasi talagang to the moon yung ano niya, yung akyat niya. Pero I would say na look at the levels where it can have a pullback. Ayan, so more of these silver, you can just comment down below if you want to get updated with these new assets na tinitingnan natin. So also, I would like to invite you sa ating Telegram community. And there we provide trade signals, and market bias, and all other educational stuff. So I'd like to see you there. So link in my bio. See you.